This video app review is brought to you by the iPhoneAppReview.com.
Hey guys, this is Valerie Lauer with the iPhoneAppReview.com, here with a video app review of an application we've had this week called SearchHub. SearchHub is an application that integrates all your different search engines and all your different types of applications in one central location on your iOS device. It also integrates with remote desktops through a same Wi-Fi network, so as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network, you're actually able to run searches on your computer and have them come up on your iOS device, which is really cool. This application does cost $2.99, and it's really very interesting organization-wise. So if you do a lot of searches or have a great deal of information on your iPad or iOS device, this is a great way to kind of keep track of everything in one location. So very, very interesting. As you see here, it automatically sets up a lot of different dictionaries for you. One like Dictionary, Google, the App Store, iTunes, Maps, and all of your music is set up automatically. Anytime you want to do a search, it would simply be up here in the top, and you would do anything, any word you're interested in, you would type it in there, and then you would tap where you want to look it up. So you want to see about time in Wikipedia. It will open that for you in your browser, and you're good to go. Now you do have to close the application and relaunch it any time you run a search. I wish it had a built-in browser instead, so you didn't have to do that. I just like having to go back and forth between different applications. That's just me. Now here on the side, you can see any of your searches you run appear there with the word and also the system that you ran it in. If you wanted to rerun any of them, you could just touch it again. Say I want to search for Friends in the App Store. That would launch it directly. And do a quick search for any applications with the word Friends in them. Very, very simple. Now, you can also use this to search through your music library or just see your music library. You can actually tap there for the word you have up in the top. Now, if you want to run that and just see in general what the responses are, make sure that you don't have anything in the search box and tap there to see. So pretty cool integration there. Say you're looking for a city. You want to search for somewhere on the map, so Humble on Maps. It'll pop up directly with Humble, Texas. So again, very interesting, very cool. Again, I just wish there was a little bit easier navigation back to that main screen. Now, as you can see here, you can also view suggestions for the word, or let's do this. Or when you're looking at that entry, it'll actually offer you to just define it right away from there too. We put the definition actually in the browser, which is really cool and convenient. I like that quite a bit. As far as the application goes, you can save things to clipboard. So say you click the clipboard there, and you can actually view those on the computer, which I'll show you here in just a minute. There is an option to view your music by tapping the music note. And here under info is where you would go into settings. This tells you about setting up your device, how do you do that from other device, gives you that address to type into your computer that you have. And also, this is kind of cool, you can add custom search engines. Now initially when I had the application, Wikipedia, for instance, wasn't set up. I went down here, entered the Wikipedia information with a cool little Q tag, enabled it, and now I have that show up in my search options. So you can actually enable as many as you want to. I think it goes down to the 20s there, but you can always add whatever you need to your search functions. And this also gives you information about remote access and all that. So very, very cool. And again, you can import in and import out anytime you want to from that clipboard, which is really very interesting. And here's a look at what SearchHub looks like on the computer. You can type in any word there in the blank, tap the type of search you want to have done, and that will appear instantly on your iPad as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network. You can choose again any of those ones. Even the custom one, like the Wikipedia one that I created, appears here, which is great. Under Tools, you can actually open URLs directly on the iPad from here. You can send a clipboard to your iOS device, or you can get an iOS device clipboard sent here as well. So kind of a cool feature and kind of a neat integration for some seamless working from your computer to your iPad. Here at the iPhoneAppReview.com, we did give this application a 4 out of 5 stars. It's not the best design I've ever seen on an application in my life, and I could really probably use a bit more clear instruction on how to use it. But if you find yourself needing a kind of community collaborative search function for your iPad and for search engines, this is a really great, easy way to do that and get what you want to know about subjects right away. So here at the iPhoneAppReview.com, again, this has been Valerie Lauer with a video app review. Until next time.